And then the button that turns the channel on and off. Yamaha mixers are different in this regard in that other mixers have a mute button, but instead of having a mute button, you turn the channel off and then it's muted. Then you get to the fader itself. There's PFL, which stands for pre-fade listen. What that does is it puts just that channel and anything else that has PFL on into the headphones. So if you want to listen to just that channel, you put the PFL on. It's called solo on the desk that we use at Fourways, but that's the same thing. Pre-fade listen is what it stands for. Then you've got your signal lights. When the signal is good, the green light should be flashing, but the red light should pretty much never come on. The preamps on this desk are not great, so don't push them into the red at all. Keep them in the green. You should actually be using these meters to set your level. So that your level is sitting somewhere around between -6 and 0. When you PFL a channel, the input will come up on those meters there. Then there's your routing options here. If you want to use the groups, what that does is it allows you to, let's say, take drums, the first 4 channels, and put them on group 1 and 2. And then you would be able to control drums with these 2 faders, group 1 and 2. Or if you use the pan, then you could use 4 groups. But to be honest, you hardly have enough inputs on a desk like this to really warrant groups at this stage. So just make sure that the stereo button is in. Because if that stereo button is not in, this channel is not routed anywhere. So other than the auxiliaries. So it will only ever come out on the monitors, assuming that they are set to pre-fader and the fader is up. So you want the stereo in so that it comes out the main outputs. Cool, so that's everything on one channel. All the other channels are the same. So basically you've got to know everything about the desk.